What's going on YouTube? It's Sean here, and if you guys haven't noticed, I didn't upload any videos in the past few days. So the reason for that was because I went to New Orleans for my friend's bachelor party. So now I'm back, a little bit more tanned, a little bit more fat because of all that amazing food, but I'm here today to give you guys an early review of the Air Jordan 11 Low in the cool gray colorway. These are set to drop this coming Saturday, April 28th, for a US retail price of $175 and a Canadian retail price of $235. So the official colorway for this shoe is actually not cool gray, it's officially medium gray, gun smoke, and white. So this is a low top rendition of the iconic cool gray 11 that released originally back in 2001. Unlike your traditional Jordan 11 where the upper is usually made out of mesh, in this case the upper is comprised of nubuck. So this nubuck is found along the mid panels of both sides of the shoe, and then stitched onto the nubuck directly we have these nylon straps that form the lace loops for the laces. Speaking about the laces, in this case the laces are done in a rope style in white, and then underneath this we have the tongue. So the tongue is also done in nubuck. At the center of the tongue we have this Jumpman Jordan branding, and then flipping it over to the inside we have this tag that reads, "Quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever." Of course, this wouldn't be much of a Jordan 11 if it didn't have the patent leather. So this gray patent leather is found on the toe box, it's found running down the sides of the shoe, and then wrapping around the back as well. Taking a look at the back heel, here we have the number 23 that's stamped directly onto the top, and then underneath this we have this white colored Jumpman that's stitched into the nubuck. The inner liner of the shoe is also done in gray, and these come with a gray colored insole that feature a Jumpman logo on the heel in white. So these Jordan 11s sit atop a foam midsole that's done in white. This runs along the entire length of the shoe, and encapsulated within the foam midsole that's not visible to the naked eye, we have a full-length air sole unit. Flipping these over to the bottom, so here we have your standard Air Jordan 11 outsole. So starting off we have this carbon fiber plate, and overlaid on top of this we have this translucent blue colored outsole that features these rubber pods along the forefoot and the bottom heel that's colored in gray. In terms of sizing, I'd recommend going with your true Jordan size. For me, I typically wear size 10 for most of my Jordans, Jordan 11s included. I do have to say though that based on my personal experience, I feel like these low-cut Jordan 11s fit a little bit more snug than the standard mid-cut Jordan 11s. However, the difference wasn't big enough that I had to go up a half size, so overall I'd recommend sticking with your normal Jordan size, which in most cases is true to size, or going a half size up if you have really wide feet. Comfort-wise, so I wouldn't say that the Jordan 11 is the most comfortable Jordan out there, but it's pretty decent overall. So as I mentioned earlier, these do feature a full-length airbag encapsulated within the midsole, but straight out of the box you can't really feel it underneath your feet. But based on Jordan 11s that I've worn in the past, I feel like they get more comfortable with time and with more wear. So eventually you'll break it in, you'll feel more of that air sole cushioning underneath your feet, and this patent leather will soften up as well. In terms of the quality of the build, I had no issues with my pair, didn't really see any glue stains, any loose stitching, so overall I'd say that this is a pretty solidly built shoe. So now let me lace up these cool gray Jordan 11 lows and show you guys how these look on feet. Despite not being an original colorway of the Jordan 11, the cool gray 11 is oftentimes a lot of people's favorites. So I'm sure a lot of people are really excited that these low-cut versions are coming out this Saturday. So for me, I was never a huge fan of the cool gray 11s, but seeing these in hand, I really appreciate this colorway a lot more now. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these cool gray 11 lows. If you guys are planning to cop them, these do drop this coming Saturday, once again for $175 US or $235 Canadian, and if you guys are in Canada, these will be available at boutiques like The Closet Inc. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give me that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and give me a follow on my Instagram as well at sgo8. Be sure to check out my website as well, which is now up at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.